Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedchoppingguide.com and today we're in the kitchen. In this video, two deep fryer brands will be going head to head. We have the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer and the Presto dual basket pro fry. With the right deep fryer, you'll be able to make crispy fries, juicy drumsticks, fish and chips with a push of a button. While the busiest cooking gadget in recent years has been the air fryer, we strongly believe that there's simply no replacing a good old deep fryer. For today's video, we will be pitting two top-of-the-line deep fryers, the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer and the Presto dual basket pro fry, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 5 badges from our team at trustedchoppingguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you are interested in other deep fryers that we have reviewed, do check out our deep fryer review video linked below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these deep fryers will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and form factor. In the search for a high-quality deep fryer, size matters. Since a lot of kitchen counters are already cluttered with various kitchen appliances, dishes, and condiments, taking the time to choose a deep fryer that is ideal for small or roomy countertop spaces is very important. Additionally, it is also important to consider the shape of the deep fryer since it brings out the unit's compatibility with your kitchen decor. The Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer measures 15.75 by 9.25 by 15.35 inches, while the Presto dual basket pro fry measures 14.18 by 10.75 by 14.75 inches. As for weight, the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer is around the same weight as its competition at 10.08 pounds compared to the Presto dual basket pro fry, which weighs 10.7 pounds. For its more compact design, we are awarding the Presto dual basket pro fry as the definitive winner of this category. With that said, it takes the first blood and leads the battle at 1-0. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their cooking capacity. Capacity is another important feature to consider when choosing a deep fryer. Some cooks may only want to prepare a few snack items or single servings, but others may want to cook entire chickens or a family-sized portion of French fries. For this reason, we highly suggest sorting this detail out in your head before purchasing a deep fryer for your kitchen. After all, you wouldn't want to waste all that money just to realize your deep fryer has the wrong capacity for your household. The Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer has a whopping capacity of 17 cups of oil, which allows you to fry multiple fried dishes at the same time for large quantities of food. The Presto dual basket pro fry, however, is no slouch either. It has a 12-cup oil capacity that is ideal for frying extra large batches of deep fried food. Although it all comes down to what kind of lunch or dinner you are serving and how much exactly it is you want to cook, we think the bigger capacity of the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer is the winner in this category. Having said that, it ties up the competition at 1 apiece. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their power. The biggest difference between high-performance deep fryers and entry-level ones is the amount of power they pack. The more watts a deep fryer has, the higher temperatures it will reach. As a rule of thumb, 1500 watts is enough to keep the deep fryer at a consistent temperature, while deep fryers with adjustable temps can go as high as 1650 to 1800 watts. The Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer has 1700 watts of power that makes quick work of cooking all sorts of foods. From fried chicken, French fries, donuts, and more, the fully immersive heating element and charcoal air filtration system provides clean, crisp, and delicious frying without fail. The Presto dual basket pro fry is no slouch either, with 1800 watts of professional power that assures quick preheating and fast oil temperature recovery. For its extra power over the competition, the Presto dual basket pro fry will be more than worth it for someone who's interested in using a powerful deep fryer that can handle it all. Having said that, it earns 1 point and breaks away from the competition at 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. If you don't want to spend hours cleaning a kitchen appliance, you should choose one that's designed to be easy to clean from the get-go. You can find products with dishwasher-safe parts, non-stick interiors, and even units that can be dismantled fully for washing, so you can choose according to your preference. Having said that, ease of cleaning is one of the factors to consider when choosing a deep fryer that one shouldn't overlook. The Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer offers a removable dishwasher-safe oil container that allows for easy cleanup. Additionally, you can simply remove the oil reservoir and pour out the oil after using it. On the other hand, when it comes to cleaning up after making fried chicken, the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry is equipped with dishwasher-safe components. This provides you with enough space and time to focus on entertaining guests and feeding your family. Thanks to its thoughtful design that makes cleaning up much simpler, the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer takes this round and ties the battle up at 2 apiece. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their unique features. Each one of these deep fryers has unique additional features that can help you with certain parts of the operation in the long run. For this reason, we strongly suggest that you take note of what each deep fryer has to offer and identify which features are suited for you and your style of deep frying. This will help you get the most out of your purchasing decision and will definitely help with making deep frying a less tedious task. The Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer has not only an immiscible heating element but also a viewing window with a charcoal air filter that absorbs the frying odors whenever you're cooking. The Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry, on the other hand, is no slouch in this category either. With a spatter shield cover that helps reduce spattering, your kitchen will feel safer and more approachable whenever you're in the middle of deep frying. Additionally, the signal light indicates when oil is ready for frying, eliminating guesswork as to when you should drop your food for cooking. As clear as day, the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry is the superior unit as far as unique features go. That said, it easily takes this category and earns the final point of the battle. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of deep fryers between the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer and the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry beats the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these deep fryers offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry has already claimed its throne as it awaits for the next battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Elite Gourmet 3-basket electric deep fryer and the Presto Dual Basket Pro Fry has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next deep fryer face-off which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we will be sure to assess them for our next update. If you liked this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at thetrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.